Hello everyone, welcome to today's session. The topic for today is movement with arrow key. Now imagine you have a cute little character, let's call them Spritey. On your computer screen, you can make Spritey move around and do cool things using the keyboard. So you can instruct your Spritey where it has to go. Now consider you have to go somewhere, okay, and you don't know the particular place. How your parents instruct you that you have to go to the right side a bit, then you walk straight, then you go to the left, and you will reach your destination. In the same way, we have maps. If we want to search any place, we put the destination in the Google Maps or other kind of maps. It tells us the way out to that particular place, and then using the directions we reach there. So now you can make your Spritey move in different directions with the help of arrow keys. You can use all the different keys. Consider when you press the up arrow, it will move up like a rocket. If you press down arrow, it will move down like a submarine. If you press left arrow, it will go left like a ninja. And if you press right, it will go right like a superhero. So you can control Spritey and make it go anywhere. To make Spritey move, you need to give them special instruction. You have to give them instruction to tell that they should go to which direction. Now, you have to learn today that how you are going to control your sprite with the arrow keys. So let's understand. Now you can use the blocks like a puzzle pieces. We use these blocks as a puzzle only, right? First, we find when the space key pressed block from events category. Then instead of space, we change it to the particular arrow key which we want, up arrow, down arrow, and then we join it with what? A motion blocks because we want to give a movement. We change space to up arrow, whatever block you want, up arrow, down arrow, you can decide, and you have to attach it to the motion block. Now when you press the up arrow key, Spritey will move up because you are giving them command to do so. Correct? It can move in other directions also as you specify. Remember, you are like a director telling Spritey what to do with your keyboard commands. So you are instructing Spritey to do everything. Okay, so now have fun experimenting with different keys and make Spritey move around the screen. Okay, you can make Spritey dance, fly, or explore all by using the keyboard. Let's try it on Scratch. Now let's take a good backdrop. How about a forest? I'll delete this and I'll take some bird. Okay. Let's give the starting position. I'll show you different ways to control the sprite. When the green flag is clicked, we want to set the sprite's position where it is standing now. So I'm going to give a go to block. So the position is set. Now when I press right arrow key, I want my bird to go towards the right side. So for that we go to event category and we choose an event block when space key pressed. And you change space to right arrow. See here, lot of options are there. Whatever alphabets you want, you can do. I'll choose right arrow. So when you choose right arrow, you are going to change X. Why you are going to change X by? Because that is going horizontally. Horizontal movement is always X. When you want to change right or left side, it is X value. When you want to change up and down, it is Y value. Because that's the vertical direction. So I'll attach this block. Now when I click on the green flag, it is on this position, and when I press right, you can see it moves to the right side. Now if I take forever, what happens? If I take repeat, what happens? I'll show you everything. So when we click green flag, it comes back to its original position. It goes away in that direction. Now if I just take repeat, I'll remove this. We will click on green flag, it will move 10 steps. So repeat 10 is looking fine, correct? Now we should also make it flap the wings. Let's go to costume and see how the bird is flapping the wings. We have to. So once when the green flag is clicked, we want to switch costume to parrot A and we can duplicate this. Now instead of this we can put next costume here, same, so that it goes same. It goes very fast, so I'll wait 1 second after this. I can even change it to 0.5 seconds. Or we can even do this. Let's not wait 1 second. What you are finding good? With repeat, if you're comfortable, you'll take it with repeat. This is how it works. I'm showing you in all the methods. Now if you're not comfortable with this, I'll show you with forever also. Forever looks good, isn't it? So we controlled our sprite with right arrow. I'll change the number to 70 because I feel bird is too big. Now each time I'm pressing the right arrow, I can go to the sound and I can start the bird sound. Every time I press, I'll keep this here. In repeat, I'm not going to put the sound because I don't want sound to repeat at all. This looks really nice, the bird sound. Now the way we have done for the right arrow, we are going to do for the left arrow also. So what we will do, we will go to the event category. We will take this when left arrow key pressed. Now when left arrow key is pressed, first we want to do the start sound. From control we want to repeat it 10 times, and now it will left side is again horizontal direction, so we will do change x by, but it will be -10. Now we have to also work on the costumes. So I'll take when left arrow key pressed, we take forever, next costume, and from control we will take wait 1 second. Now for the left, it is not turning towards the left. So what I'm going to do, I'll go to the costume and I'm going to duplicate this. That is A2 and B2 are duplicated. So let's go to A2 and do flip horizontal and do flip horizontal. Okay. So what you do here, when the left arrow key is pressed, you are going to switch costume to parrot A2. It turns right again towards the right, because here the next costume is taking the other right one also. So here what I am going to do, I am going to switch costume to parrot B2, and again after 1 second it will be switch costume to A2. Can you see how it's moving? And if you want to see it clearly, I'll just remove this. I'll keep this aside. Isn't it very cool? You can even do this here. And if you want this way only, you can remove this also. So that is your choice. So I hope right and left arrow is very clear to you, how you can control sprite with your arrow keys. Now we will what we will do is we are going to duplicate this and do for the up and down arrow. I'll click on up arrow, and from motion we are going to do change y by 10. I'll again duplicate this. I'll again change this to up arrow. Why we did change y? Because when you go vertically, it is y direction. Now I'm going to do for the down arrow, and with this you have to practice controlling your different sprites with different arrow keys. I'll take -10. Let's try. Is this clear? I hope this is clear to everyone. I can even show you that how what kind of games you can make you control your sprite with different arrow keys, and then add some sprites moving to random positions the way we have learned. Or you can give a message in the start using looks, that when the green flag is clicked, it is giving some message that now I'm going to move into different directions. Please have fun exploring the different directions in Scratch. Thank you so much.